Our invention is GyroGel, which is a bone graft substitute for craniofacial applications. Whether it's from cancer or trauma, a surgeon can take our invention and put it into the defect site to repair the bone that was taken away.
How it works is we 3D print a bioceramic framework that matches your facial structure. We combine that 3D print with what we call CryoGel.
It is very similar to your native bone structure, especially in the jaw. And in its final stages, it'll look and behave exactly like normal bone.
I want our invention to totally change the way that mandible reconstruction is done now and improve patient lives.
At every stage of my life, people pushed me to be creative, to find solutions to everyday problems, and find a way to leave a positive effect on the world.
I've always been drawn to creating and inventing for people. I love to make people smile while building and creating things that excite me, that make me curious. That's why I do what I do.